We'll guide you through how to fix earphones not working on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you then can't go and hear your sound through them. So for the first fix, what you want to try doing is going to the bottom right of your computer, right-clicking on the sound icon and pressing Sound Settings. In Output, scroll down and go and find your earphones. Then what you can do is scroll down, make sure they're not muted, and what you can do is try increasing the volume. Go and see if that works. If you find that they aren't showing up here at all, or they're still not working, then try unplugging and replugging and see if that solves the problem. If possible, you could use a different port. If they still aren't appearing here, then what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and find more sound settings. You'll get this pop-up. Now in playback, you want to make sure they're enabled. So you can go and find them, and if you find they're disabled like this, you can right click and press enable. Then they'll go and appear in this list and you can select them and see if they work. If this still isn't working, come to the bottom and press search. You want to go and type in device manager, find audio inputs and outputs, and you can go and find them here. Right click on them and you want to uninstall them. There's multiple, repeat that. Restart your computer and you can follow the steps at the start of the video and that should solve it.